Dear students, today I am going to start a new chapter from your syllabus, Mineral Resources. And in this part, what I am going to explain. So here you can see 3 points I have written, which I will discuss in this video. Definition of mineral and ore, types of mineral, unique characteristics of mineral. So here, first I will explain these two terms. What are these two? Here, resources. What is resource? First we have to understand. Resource means all the thing or products which are having the capability or the ability to fulfill our needs. So when this word will add with another word, it means that thing or that also products will have some capability to fulfill our needs or demand. So definitely it's seeing by seeing this name, it's clear that minerals also having some capability to fulfill our needs. That's why it is known as resource. So here in this mineral resource chapter, particular something we have to understand. Before going to the all point, we also have to understand the definition of mineral. First I want to ask you, where we don't use mineral, even we use different things in our daily life which made of that mineral, and even I can tell you from a safety pin to that building, that construction of building, that materials, even we in that case we see that minerals are using for making up ship, for making up railway coaches, car, buses, trains, aeroplanes, everywhere the use of mineral. And even whenever we used to decorate our household in that livelihood, everywhere festivals, religious ceremonies, and some other cases also we use mineral in different way. It means it's clear that without mineral our life is not possible. Our life is not possible. Whatever we use in our daily life, that we in that every things we can get mineral. Even whatever utensils you are using at your home, that is also made of mineral. So what is mineral? According to the geologist, it said that mineral as a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable that internal structure, or we can say all the mineral always will have a particular properties. It can be physical property or it can be chemical property. Okay, so here what I have said, homogeneous, naturally occurring, and this substance which are having that totally different chemical and physical property. So I think you have understood what is the definition of mineral. Now this mineral, how we get from the nature, if it is naturally we are occurring. So we occur or we get the mineral in the form of ore. Means we extract the mineral commercially viably, or we can say which is profitable to us, then we will extract from ore. So first we will tell what is ore. First, this ore actually describe an accumulation of an mineral mixed with other elements. It means not only mineral will be present in ore, definitely with that some other elements also will present in ore. Like I am talking about bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. So when the bauxite, this mineral will in large amount will present in or that aluminium will be a large amount will present in bauxite, then we will extract, and it should be profitable or commercially viable. Otherwise, if very less amount of mineral present in the ore, in that case extraction it will not be profitable. So for extraction of the mineral from the ore, we always have to see it should be commercially viable or profitable. Clear? So students, I think you have understood what is mineral, and mineral we always can get from ore, we can extract from the ore. Now the types of mineral you have to understand. The types of mineral, if you will see that in that or definitely you have read in your 9th class. 9th class you definitely have read that the structure of the earth, and the earth crust made of different types of mineral. Different types of mineral. Actually, the earth crust, which is known as lithosphere. Lithos mean rock, you know that. And here in this crust area, in the different rocks, we can get different types of mineral. So mainly we can extract these mineral from sedimentary, then igneous and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so types of mineral I have here done. You can see the type. First, it's dividing into these three category: metallic. Now students, in the type of mineral, see, I have divided into three main category: metallic, non-metallic and energy resources. Metallic, you know, these are hard. These are hard, and non-metallic soft energy resources. From this kind of mineral, we can extract the or we can generate that basically electricity, or we can use as power resource. Okay, so here metallic, this metallic, which is hard one, that mineral again divided into three category: ferrous, non-ferrous and precious. Ferrous mean in which type of mineral having that concentration of iron, that is called ferrous, Fe. So here this type of mineral, iron ore, manganese, nickel, even cobalt also we can also consider as metallic and ferrous mineral. Non-ferrous, which are not having the concentration of iron, like copper, lead, tin, bauxite, these are all we can say non-ferrous, which are not having the concentration of iron. Precious, very expensive. This kind of mineral, this is also metal and very expensive: gold, silver, platinum. Non-metallic, here that mica, salt, limestone, these are coming in this also, or we can say these are soft. These are soft kind of mineral. Next is energy mineral, energy resource. In energy resource, we can say the naturally occurred the mineral are coal, petroleum and natural gas, which we can get from the in that also sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rock. Clear? So here students, how the metal will be hard and how the non-metal will be soft, that I can show you through the real that mineral one. Okay, here you can see this one student, this one, it is the mica, original mica. Okay, you can see, if you will see the mica, it's glittering. It's glittering. In this mica, which is the non-metal, it's having minimum 1000 that layers. It's at the outside it is hard, but at the middle part as it is broken, so you can take that the layers this way by your nails, and you can take that how it's glittering. The natural mica, this one. Okay, it can be in the color of black, even orange and dark green. In different colors we can see. So this is the it is non-metal, which is the soft one, and even salt, sodium chloride you are using at your home, limestone which used for use in that cement factory. Okay, so these are the non-metallic. And here that non-ferrous one, lead, the copper, galena. So here you can see student, this is galena. This is galena. From these we can extract lead. So this is the non-ferrous metal, non-ferrous metallic, that mineral, from that we can extract the lead. And this way you can get in that nature different that minerals, and from that, and even in the form of ore, and you can people extract which are commercially viable. Hope you have understood this all. Now students, we have reached to the third point, unique characteristics of mineral. So what are the characteristics? Already I have said all the minerals will have some particular that chemical and physical properties. Okay, and this will be homogeneous, the same characteristic bits. In that metallic, all that mineral will have same characteristic. Then non-ferrous will have the same characteristics, like non-metallic will have the same characteristic, like this way. So some other characteristic we will get to know, that minerals are not evenly distributed all over the world. It means somewhere we can see the reserves or the deposit of mineral are a very higher amount, and somewhere very less amount. And it is also having a opposite relation, quality. If the good quality mineral present, that will not have the good or higher amount or huge amount, it will be less quantity. So we can say that quality and quantity are having the opposite relation. Whenever poor quality mineral we will see, that amount will be more in nature, which are good quality, that amount are less. So quantity and quality are having vice versa relation. And minerals are always exhaustible because these are not unlimited, naturally formed. So suddenly we can't form or we can't make mineral. It takes the thousands of years. Even sometime we have seen for forming or making of that coal and petroleum, it takes millions of years. So it is not in our lifetime. Even some generations after that also we can't make or form these minerals. So here these are exhaustible and these are limited, and we can't replace, even also we cannot be replaced this immediately. We can't make this, and without this mineral our life is not possible. And here whatever economic development is happening in our country, even in the world, that is depending on the mineral. If any of the place is having a high mineral resource, that country will be very much developed one, because around these mineral mines the settlement will develop, then according to the trade will develop, export import everything it will develop. Okay. So here if I am talking about our country, India has a rich variety of mineral resource. And in India, in the peninsular part, wherever the plateau or the Deccan Plateau part, we can see maximum minerals present, as well as in the Chotnagpur Plateau, which is known as the storehouse of minerals. Means every mineral present there, whatever not present there, everything. We can get mica, we can get coal, we can get bauxite, we can get manganese, and all the minerals present in the Chotnagpur Plateau. Okay, so here students, I have covered all these 3 points. Hope you have understood. In our next video I will meet with some more information, which also it means according to the new and revised syllabus given by the ICSE board, we will follow that. Okay.